We're making Piron. In a large pot, add some turkey, garlic, pepper, cayenne, and chicken seasoning, salt, and let it boil. In a blender, add tomatoes, onions, garlic, and ginger. Add water and blend. Pour it into a pot and let it boil. In the meanwhile, slice up your tomatoes and let it fry in oil. Don't add too much though. Add 2 cloves of garlic and some onions. Once your onions have lightly softened, add your tomatoes and then cook. Add a little of the other sauce. Add your turkey into the air fryer. Let your sauce condense into a paste. Add some oil and lots of water. Salt for taste. And most importantly, your gari. Add a little bit and stir, and while adding it and continue mixing it until it becomes into a thick paste. Make sure you add it in small amounts and stir it. Flip your turkey and put it back in the air fryer. It's also very important to make sure you mix it really well. Add in little bits of water to make sure it's not too dry. Now you can serve and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, bye!